Hi, I am Edu Ribeiro and welcome to 2-Minute Jazz. When you see the 16 note written like a samba pattern, you have just something like that. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And it is so different that when you have to play that rhythm. And the exercise that I created to make a little different 16 note, with a little swing, is something like that. You have to think first in the síncopa with the left hand. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And 2 8 notes with the right hand, like that. And the other exercise, you think about 3 against 2. 3 with the left hand and 2 with the right hand, like that. And now try play 2 bars with the síncopa and 2 bars with the triplets against 2, like that. And now we have to take off the first note of my left hand of each tempo, like that. I hope that you're gonna help you to try to imitate that thing that people do in the school of samba, like that. Just with your hi-hat, like that. Okay, and that is something that you're gonna find in my course in Opera Studio, and you're gonna have more details there. And I hope you enjoyed and see you next time.